The first step is to open your calendar and click the settings icon. Scroll down and click Settings. Click Notification Settings. Click the notifications down arrow. Choose if and how you want your notifications to appear. For this example, click Desktop Notifications. Scroll down and click the Show Snoozed Notifications down arrow. Click to choose a time. For this example, click 3 minutes before event. You can also choose to toggle play notification sounds on or off. Those settings save automatically, so you can return to your calendar. That's it. You're done.